So what you're gonna do, you're gonna run your travelers from this point right here.
John Carter helps another student at the Edison Job Corps Center in New Jersey.
Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna take these two together. You're gonna cap it off like that, all right?
John has spent the last year learning the electrical trade and earning his certifications. We happened to catch up with him on his last day before graduation.
I'm very proud of myself. I came a long way, and I'm ready to get out in the field and start working.
Oh, John, a very good guy. Always stay focused. Know what he came to Job Corps for. What's the size of the pipe?
A 1/2-inch pipe.
How many 12 gauge wire holds in a 1/2-inch pipe?
Carl Rowe is John's instructor. He's been teaching for nearly 20 years. He says when it comes to working in the electrical field, the sky is the limit.
Once the kid is ready to work, we always have jobs available.
For John, Job Corps was the right fit. Before enrolling in the program, things just weren't clicking.
I had my high school diploma. I tried college. College didn't work for me. So I was minimum wage jobs, and I wasn't satisfied with that, so I came to Job Corps.
Now, he can forget about minimum wage. He was recently hired full-time by a company in Mount Vernon, New York, to install gas and electric meters. Starting pay is $23 an hour.
It's been great. I've learned a lot. I met a lot of people who have helped me on my journey.